Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be filming today because I have this little setup. This is my little desk. These flowers are sent from Fanola. Thank you guys so much. You guys are so sweet. And then here we have like Teddy's stuff. That's why you see like bears and his treats right there. So today we're gonna be filming a back to school get ready with me, and I'm a senior in college, so like I don't feel like I'm really as nervous as I was before. So we're just gonna go ahead and do like a little something. I'm not gonna do anything crazy because we all know by the end of the school year we're like looking like a mess. Like it's just inevitable because it's hard. It is my first week back, so we're gonna see how this goes. I have 6 classes this semester, so it's gonna be rough, but I think I can do it. I mean, I'll be fine. I did it last semester, so I should be okay. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into this video because I don't have that much time, and my teacher decided to email me that we have class earlier. Is this bugging you guys, the straps? It's what it is. It's what it is. It's really hot outside right now, and I had to turn off the AC because I didn't want it to be like loud in the background for you guys. So if you see me sweating a little bit, that's why. We're gonna do this in a timely, fast manner. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with sunscreen. Sunscreen is so important. Go ahead and screenshot this because I highly recommend this sunscreen. This is a Sun Defense oil-free mineral sunscreen, and it is also reef safe, you guys can see right there, and it's vegan and cruelty free, so we're just winning all across the board. This sunscreen is actually a mineral oil free sunscreen, which it will not break you out if you guys have that issue. I know I am really scared with that. My other reef safe sunscreen that I have does not break me out, but I did want something that wasn't kind of like as heavy as the other one. It has green tea and vitamin E, I believe, in it. Yeah, so this has green tea and vitamin E in it. This does have an SPF of 30. And just remember that when you do put SPF, like say if you put it on in the morning, that doesn't mean that you're wearing SPF all throughout the day. That's why they say to reapply it. With like summer and stuff, I've been wearing light makeup to the point I can still put sunblock on over if I need to. Super important to take care of your skin. Very important. Okay, I'm actually gonna like clean up my hair a little bit. I did it this morning, but I did get a diva cut, so like the top is kind of shorter. So I'm just using some gel to slick back the sides. I just ordered a new gel that I want to try out. It's vegan and cruelty free. It's from Organic Grow, so I'm so excited to try that one out. I'm using a little spoolie, and then I left these out in the front because I feel like, you know, it's kind of cute. It looks a little bit messy. It's nice to have your natural texture out, so I just did that. This is how the back looks. I want to show you guys the back. Oh. This is how the back looks. Oh, and I'm also burning a candle. This is Mahogany Coconut by Bath & Body Works. It smells so good. I'm not a big fan of a lot of summer scents, but that one is actually really nice. And I don't know if you guys are excited for fall too or not, but I am super excited for fall to burn Marshmallow Fireside. Like, very excited. Okay, so I think that's fine. And we're gonna go and start off with our face. Mother Nature called, so I had to get that situated, but she waits for no one. I'm kind of glad that it happened here at home though, as opposed to me at school, because that is not fun at all, as you ladies know. I don't know if I'm gonna try this out today, but I did get some stuff from Glossier because I got a little free bag at BeautyCon, and it has like a couple stuff in here. It has like 2 lips and a little shadow stick in the shade Fawn. It's the Glistening Eye Glow. And then here we have 2 shades right here. They're kind of darker, so I don't know if we're going to wear these today. But I might try this out and then just do like a gloss. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm wearing yet. Since that happened right now, I'm probably going to change what I thought I was going to wear. For brows, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Dip Brow like I always do. I'm just going to try to do it light, just so we have a little something there. And I have my mirror here, that's why I'm looking this way. I'll probably just time-lapse this so you guys don't have to sit and watch me do my brows. There we go, something super light, nothing crazy. Just gonna go ahead and do this side. If I go over like a little too much, I always just go like that, and it just wipes it away like super easy. You don't need a brush, you don't need like any product, you just do that and it's super quick. So for brow gel, I've actually been using this specific mascara, and this is the brown mascara that I've been using on my eyelashes when I do like a natural look. So I'll just use this and just use it really lightly. I do it a little more heavy right here where my scar is because I have a scar right there. and my hair always likes to move. But this for sure helps like hide my scar because it's keeping it in place. So if you ever have an issue like that where you have a scar and you kind of want to cover it, just use a brown mascara and use a tinted one. I want to know if you guys are excited for fall and like what's like your favorite thing about fall. I remember like when I was little, like in high school and stuff, I feel like when I was little I would always like just love to like go home and watch YouTube videos, like fall videos. It was my favorite. It just got me like really in the spirit. I don't know, it was really cute. But I feel like fall videos are a lot different now than they were back then. I just feel like YouTube's a lot different now than it was back then. I'm gonna be using this Frankie Rose concealer, like whatever I have left of it, because it's really creamy and it's really easy to do it really quick. I have a little bit of product in here, but it's enough for me to clean up my brows. I want to get another concealer though because I feel like the e.l.f. one, like it's good, but it's just a little too dry for my skin. But it's okay right now because of summer, but for sure for like fall and winter, I'm going to need another concealer that's more creamy. So I have to look into that. Well, I'm able to do this right now because I have like a little bit of product in there, but if it was like full of product, I would not be able to do that. I'd have like concealer everywhere. We're going to go and put a little bit of concealer under my eyes. Okay, I don't know where my e.l.f. concealer is at, so I'm going to have to do with whatever I have left in here. I need to go get new makeup, but I just always like to research my products and see what is in them before I do buy it. And I always just use my fingers to blend out my concealer like when I do natural looks because no one has the time to be using a brush or to go with a sponge. You can still see like the redness on my skin. I'm not trying to cover up that much. It's really hot outside and I don't want a lot of makeup on because I'm going to be walking around at school and I don't want to be melting. So there's just a little bit of that. And then I'm going to go and take my Bare Minerals powder. I literally have like nothing really in here. I'm taking the $1 billion contour brush to actually put my powder on, and I'm just gonna kind of go over the center right here just to give us like a little bit of coverage, and just so that if I sweat, you know, it doesn't look like I'm getting like really oily. Well, every day I always put an oil on in the morning, so if I do ever use a powder, my face isn't gonna dry out like right away because powders can be a lot more drying than like a liquid product. This is going everywhere. I literally have like, you see that? I need to get a new one. That's like falling everywhere. But I mean, it's still giving me a little something. I feel like I'm pulling on my skin so much. Okay, I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty matchsticks and I just apply this onto my cheeks. I don't drag it because I don't want to drag my skin like that, even though I was just like literally pulling my skin so hard with the brush. I just like to dab it like that. I like to put it all right here. And then with my finger, I just do this, and I just rub it out. And then I'm going to take my bronzer. I'm taking the Too Faced bronzer, just a little bit to go under here. I'm not really taking a lot of product. I'm just kind of just doing a little something. This semester, or like this last year of college, I really want to get ready more because I feel like I just feel a lot better when I do get ready. It's like, it's just really nice to get ready. I don't know what it is, but I feel like when I don't get ready, and I feel like at the end of the semester when I don't get ready at all and I'm just like school, I feel like it affects my mood. So this year I really want to make it a priority to do my makeup as much as possible because I do feel like when I don't do it, I just kind of get in like a like mood at the end of the semester and I don't like it. So we're gonna see how that goes for me. Let me know if you guys feel like that too, like when it's the end of the semester and you don't like really get ready, or you're just like stressed that you don't feel the greatest. But I've noticed that I never get ready at the end of the semester. I never really do things that I like to do. Like I don't get dressed a lot, like, you know, stuff like that. Just stuff like that, like that you would normally do but you don't do because it's like you're just like focused on school and just like tired. But I feel like it'll help me out a lot if I do push myself to get ready. So I'm going to take this. I got this at BeautyCon in a little baggie that they're giving out for free. This is the Lidstar Glistening Eye Glow, and this is in the shade Fawn. It looks like a little vial of blood. Honestly, that's what it looks like. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. I'm not going to take a lot. It's like a taupey color, and I'm just going to very lightly put it onto my lids. I've been wanting to try out Glossier, I just haven't. You guys can see it looks like that, and I'm just going to do this with my finger. It blends out to like honestly like really just a little shimmer, but I don't mind that because every day you don't want to be looking like you're going to the club. I don't know if you can see it, but I kind of like it. It's kind of cute. It's giving me like a taupey moment. I'm really excited for fall makeup too, because I feel like fall, like you just like bring on the makeup. It looks cute. It's like shimmery, but it's not too much. I didn't even want to do a lot of eyeshadow, so that's perfect for me right now because I don't need all that right now. And then I'm actually going to do my highlighter. I'm sorry if I'm like all over the place like this. It's just I'm trying to find stuff quick because I don't have that much time. I'm taking my ColourPop highlighter, of course. You guys know I always use this. If you guys are subscribed to my channel and watch my videos all the time, you guys know this is like my favorite. And I appreciate you guys if you guys know that. I'm taking this on this side. I love this highlighter because it's literally so easy to take with you anywhere and to just like put on anywhere, and it just like looks like really natural. I really like that. I mean, makeup isn't natural, but you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna take this MAC Skin Finish because I've had this forever, and this is in the shade Cheeky Bronze. I feel like I'm never gonna run out of this, but I feel like I should probably throw it out because it's probably bad. And I want to find a vegan alternative to this shade because I love it so much, and I don't like that it's not vegan. Okay, I'm actually gonna spray my Morphe spray because it is really hot out today. And I need this to stay on because I have school until like 9. It's like 3 o'clock right now, but I have to, well actually today I don't have to walk across campus. But I want this to stay on all day, and I'll probably spray my rose water before I leave, like right before I leave. So I'm going to take a little brush. This is the Morphe M151. I love this brush for inner corner highlight. So I'm just going to take this, and I honestly like dig it into there because this is kind of like a cream-ish product. So you will get more product if you do like kind of like try to get a little more. And then I just put it on my inner corners, and I clean out my inner corners because I feel like I always have like eye mucus or something. I feel like my eyes just produce a lot of it. I don't know why. Oh, I'm really sweaty. It's hot in here. See, and it really stands out. It looks really nice. And then if it looks like too much, oh, great. Okay, so if that happens and if it goes too low, just take your powder brush and then just go over it. And I also like to take my knuckles sometimes because it'll get perfectly in there. And just kind of dab over it and just try to take it off as much as you can. So I'm actually going to try to clean off more of that because it is a lot. So I'm going to take this little brush that I used for the crease shade, which was a bronzer, and I'm going to take this into my powder, my Bare Minerals foundation, and then just go over it like that. Then you'll see that it helps it go away. I'm actually take more of this too right here because it looks like I'm getting a little oily. I don't know if it's oil or sweat. Probably both, I don't know. And we're gonna curl our eyelashes. And I'm just gonna, oh, great. You guys, you know how I had the little cubes of like foundation here? They just all fell on the floor, on the carpet. Amazing. So for mascara, I've actually been using 2 mascaras. I've been using the Pacifica Stellar Gaze mascara, and this is the Pacifica Dream Big mascara. This is brown and this is black, so I'll actually go on with the brown one first, and then sometimes I'll stop here. It just depends on how I'm feeling, but today, like for the video, I want to show you guys how it looks. So I'm just taking the brown one first. The black one is a little bit dried out, but it still works. I'll actually do some of my bottom lashes too. If you get mascara like under your eyes, just leave it alone, let it dry, and then take it off with a spoolie. Because if you try to do it before that, this is a black mascara. If you try to do it before that, then it just makes a bigger mess, and then you'll regret just not waiting. Usually I'll let the brown mascara dry more, but I don't have that much time. When I was driving on the way home over here, there was a car on fire on the freeway, so like, luckily the man got out though. But I just hope that he's okay and that his situation is gonna be okay. When something happens to your car, it's honestly not fun, even though it's better for something to happen to your car than you, I know that. But when something does happen to your car, it's a hassle for sure. It was just really sad. It makes me sad to see stuff happen to people like that. And can we talk about the Amazon burning? As of today, today's August 22nd. It's been burning. I've seen like people say that it's been burning like 13 days, 16 days. So I'm not entirely sure. By the time this video goes up, if it's still burning then, like I am so sad, honestly. Like I feel like so helpless because I feel like it's just sad. It's really sad. It makes me really sad. And I feel like there's not much we can do about it just to really make people aware of what's going on. which is important. So, you know, just post stuff about it because people need to know what's going on. And I hope that someone puts it out because that's like a lot of our oxygen. And all the animals too that are in the rainforest. It breaks my heart. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a nude over because honestly I don't know what I'm gonna wear yet. And a nude, you can never go wrong with a nude. So this is Atomic Makeup Debbie. This is a nude shade, and these lipsticks are vegan and cruelty free. Literally like 90% of the time when I'm wearing lipsticks, it's always Atomic Makeup because they're vegan and cruelty free. I like these too because when you wear them, they don't dry out your lips. You know, like when they feel like, you know, really dry and crusty, they don't make you feel like that, which is really nice because you don't want to feel like that when you're wearing this throughout the day. Okay, so this is the final look. It's literally nothing crazy. It's super natural, super simple. Let me see if I turn this off. Oh, so you guys can see a little bit more. So I'm actually sweating a lot right now, and I don't want to make it look oily, so I'm going to add some translucent powder over just to my T-zone. I'm going to go ahead and pick out my outfit. I don't know what I'm going to wear. I have to clean this up right now because I hate coming home. Sorry, there was like powder. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up right now because I hate coming home and like my makeup being everywhere. It just stresses me out. I don't like it. I'm actually filming my outro right now while I'm sitting down here with you guys. I'll still show you guys my outfit after this. Oh, my necklaces are tangled again. Story of my life. Okay, one last thing. I'm going to add peaches, MAC peaches, and like that because I feel like blush just makes everything come to life. And I probably add a lot, but it's okay. I love blush. Okay, so I'm just going to film the outro right now. But I hope you guys liked my outfit that I picked out. And I hope that you guys liked this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I really had fun doing it. It was really exciting for me, you know, because like it's nice to sit down and do your makeup. It was just really nice to sit down and talk to you guys. If you guys are in school, I hope that you guys had a really good first day. If you guys are in high school, college, middle school, wherever you guys are going, I hope that you guys have a really good fall semester, and I hope that you guys have a good school year. I wish that on everyone to have a good, prosperous school year. So do your work, study hard, make sure that you turn in all your assignments because that is really good for you and your grade, because that'll usually let you pass. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you guys did, definitely make thumbs up so that you guys liked it. Let me know down below what your favorite fall candle is. This is my summer candle right now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe to see more content from me. Okay, bye.